Dear students, today we will discuss what is operational plan and what are the various steps conducted in the operational plan. See, operational plan or operational planning is very useful or important for starting of a new venture or when we are preparing a business plan. So when we are preparing business plan, so operational plan need to be prepared. See, an operational plan or an operational planning is the part of the strategic planning which help the organization in the towards the vision, direction, and goal of a business. See, operational planning or operational plan translates that into everyday workflow of the business that will hopefully produce the outcome defined by the strategies. So what operational plan or operational planning does, whatever the organization have planned as strategically, or whatever the organization have as the strategic goals, operational plan convert those strategic goals into day-to-day workflow. It convert them into the existence. So the when we talk about operational plan, it explain how what portion of a strategic plan we put into operation during operational period. So basically, operational plan describe how the work will be done, what would be the workflow from input to the end result, and including also it includes the resources that we will be using along the way, and all of which are required for the success. So what operational plan basically describe is what work will be done, how we will do that work, what is the workflow, and how much input we are using to get the desired result, and to get that result what type of resources are involved and include to conduct the operations. So in operational plan addresses these following questions, like where are we now, where do we want to be, and how do we get there, and how do we measure our progress. So these are the questions which are addressed by operational plan. Now if we talk about what are the contents of components of operational plan, basically we have human capital, that is the human resource, then the financial requirement, then risk assessment, means what risks exist and how they can be addressed, and then estimation of the project lifespan, sustainability, and exit strategies. So these are the key components of operational plan. Now what operational plan should contain? An operational plan should contain following things, like there should be a clear objective, is why we are carrying out this operation. Then there should be a clear cut activity which is to be delivered, knowledge about that. Then what are the quality standard on which we are going to produce the product or services. Then what are the desired outcome. Then what staffing and resource requirement is that need to be clearly defined. And then how we implement the timetable, and a process of monitoring the process, means how we control and measure the progress. So these are the basic part which operational plan contains. So hope this topic is clear now.